most of these kids too also don't sneeze. And sneezing is a reflex that the brain uses that when the sinuses detect a pathogen, the brain's supposed to excrete it out, right? So what you're seeing is these kids are just constantly like nasaling. So what happens is anything in the nose, right? If you smell something, it goes straight to the brain. And you also have a defense mechanism of something called the amygdala. So, like your fight or flight, right? You smell fire, and all of a sudden your brain's triggered to run. Well, let's say that you have this inflammation from funguses or bacteria that get inside the nose. They can hit this fear center called the amygdala, and they can literally make the kid hyperactive. The kid can't go to sleep.